Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add countries, cities, regions or airports that you wish to visit in Bean app. You can see there is this Bean page, the lived page, places where you've lived, as well as Wish. And to add to Wish, you'll need to just click on plus in top right corner, then select either countries, regions, cities or airports. Remember that regions, in the free version of the app you can only add regions of United States. And in the free version of the apps you cannot add cities or airports, but in paid version you can do it. And of course these regions, cities and airports will basically work the same way, like you add it the same way as you add countries. So I'll just show you how to add a country. Let's select Egypt for example, then select Wish. Now you can optionally add dates and transportation method. I don't need to add those, I'll just click on add visit. You can see it is added to Wish. Then if I close it, I'll see it in the Wish page right here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.